If you are keen to get into composting but don't have the space for a traditional setup, the Tui In-ground Composter is the perfect solution. Let me show you how to set one up in 5 easy steps. First up, remove the Tui In-ground Composter from the box and connect the 2 sections together so they click into place and are secure. Pop the handle on the lid and you're ready to go. The great thing about this composter is that you don't need to add worms. The worms that are already in your garden will travel back and forth through the feeding holes, composting your waste and delivering nutrients directly back into the garden. Choose a spot in the middle of the garden for your in-ground composter. Dig a hole about 45 centimetres deep, big enough to bury the composter almost all the way, just leaving the top flared section exposed. In the base of the in-ground composter, add pre-moistened strips of newspaper, leaves, straw and compost. Finally, you can start adding your food scraps. Fruit and veggie scraps, coffee grounds and crushed eggshells are all great sources of organic matter and will help keep those worms happy and feeding your garden.